guys, welcome back. I'm Sophia with Crazy 8 Kids, and today we are unboxing a Stitch Fix box. Yeah! Let's open this guy up. Okay, so you can see the inside of the box. We have the return package, so any of the clothes that you don't want, you just put it in here, give it to your mailman, well, put it in your mailbox, and then take care of this. But whatever. Then this is the prices, and we will go over them later in the video. This is the bundle, so you can see that. This is the second bundle. Oh, it's ripped. Whatever. In this box, there is a note for you. So, this is, hi there. This fix is made just for you. Open me for a little message from your stylist. Hi, Sophia. Happy New Year. I hope you had a wonderful holiday and you have enjoyed your winter break. I know it may look a little different this year, but I am sure you are making the most of it. I can't wait to introduce you to your fix. Your mom mentioned that you could use a dress, so I added one by Bixby Nomad. Since this is sleeveless, I added a matching cardigan. I also grabbed the Moon and Stars leggings to wear with the Rummy and Rider pocket top. Sophia, have fun trying everything on. Later, alligator. Taryn, P.S. P.S. Please have your mom let us know how you like the items in your fix. And then you can hear the noise in the background. I am sorry, but that is my dog drinking water. Here you have a maze that says find your fix. The first item that we have in this bundle is some, ooh, those look comfy.
Joggers.
Yeah. Ooh. I love this. So this is some leggings, and it's the Runway brand, and I have a shirt that is Runway, and I love that. It's so comfortable. And then here we have a hoodie. Very nice. Here we have, oh, that's backwards. Another hoodie that's red, pinkish, or just red, I don't know.
Yeah, probably like a burgundy.
Whatever that color is. Ooh.
That's cute.
Yeah, it's comfortable. I mean, fluffy.
Soft.
Soft, yeah.
It looks soft.
And then here we have a cheetah, leopard.
Something like that.
And
sweatshirt? I don't know.
Okay. If you can hear that, my dog is messing with our cat. Have the second bundle. Dun dun dun! Oh, it didn't even rip. There. Let's get these out. And then next we have a, ooh, soft. Another shirt.
That must be the cardigan for the dress,
yeah.
She said.
There's that black cardigan. And then I'm guessing this will probably be the dress.
Yeah, it looks like it. It's a little Hawaiian-y for the middle of winter, but that's all right. It's cute.
Yeah. There's that. Okay, this is our cat that is making that noise back there. Because, Noelle, stop. I'm sorry. This is Jones, our fluffy kitty. So cuddly. Okay, and here is some nice, I don't know, what are these called? Camouflage leggings, I guess you can say that, but not really camouflage. And then the last item is some more joggers, I think. You can see that.
That's a Runway brand too.
Oh, it is? Nice. I love the Runway brand. Okay, so I'm going to try all these on for you. See ya.
All right, guys, this is Mom back here on the video camera, and I'm just gonna kind of go through what she is wearing. The first thing we have is the Roomy and Ryder brushed pleated top in light gray. It is a size kids large, and it is $22. The next item we have is the Ruched Active Jogger by Runway in black, size medium, and they are $22. And that is outfit number 1. Okay, the next outfit we have is the dress with the cardigan. The dress is a Bixby Nomad Hillary Razorback skater dress in black. It is a size large and it is $26. And then the cardigan is the Waterfall Mixed Rib Cardigan, also in black, size medium, $24. It's not medium, I'm sorry, it's a large. They're both size large. So that is it for this next outfit. All right, the next outfit we have are these Moon and Stars Gia knit legging in gray, size medium, $12. And the top that is with it is the brushed pocket top by Roomy and Ryder in navy, size large, $18. All right, the next outfit that we have is the Cameron Tulip Hem Hoodie by Crown of Hearts. It is in burgundy, size large, $20. And with that, she is wearing the vintage Havana Chansley fleece jogger. And these are $22, and they are dark gray. All right, the last outfit we have is the Crown of Hearts Cameron Tulip Hem Hoodie in gray, $20. And she's wearing those with the reverse stitch active fleece lined leggings.
Hey guys, that's it for this box. I really liked everything. If you want to try Stitch Fix for your kids, there will be a link in the description for a discount. Yeah! And a big thanks for watching. Also, thank you so much, Taryn. I love everything in this box. Thanks for watching. Bye!